Innovation is visionary. In 1949, a 21-year-old accountant from New Jersey envisioned a way to help companies streamline their payroll routines. With that initial step into automatic payroll processing, the future global leader of human capital management was born. At just 21, Henry Taub secured his own legacy and changed the world of payroll forever. His vision propelled ADP forward along generations of technology changes and created new tools for growth. From punch cards to mainframes and laser-printed W-2s to the cloud, companies needed ways to increase their efficiencies, and ADP would be that partner to trust along the way. What followed were decades of growth. Innovation is transformational. ADP added innovative business services focused on clients' needs. Revenues grew steadily, and ADP held the payroll market leader position, processing the paychecks for 10% of the U.S. workforce. By 1985, ADP hit the $1 billion mark. But the 1990s signaled the largest transformation at ADP, moving beyond payroll. Clients that once were content to outsource applications looked to outsource entire functions. They no longer wanted ADP to just provide services to their HR department. They wanted ADP to be their HR department. And with international acquisitions, ADP soon became the world leader in payroll and human resource services. At that point, ADP changed the way business does business. Innovation is global. As the global economy continues to change, innovation continues to move ADP forward. ADP solutions are reaching people in every corner of the planet, helping companies manage their employees wherever they are, and enabling employees to reach their full potential. Today, ADP is the world's largest provider of business outsourcing solutions, serving over 600,000 clients. Leveraging our big data, we created the National Employment Report to provide the deepest, richest insights in order to help inform workforce strategies. 60 years later, Henry Taub's legacy has left a lasting impression on the industry, our clients, and our associates, created opportunities where others only saw challenges, and built a global brand that stands for innovation, presented by a direct sales force offering insightful expertise that is the envy of the industry. Innovation is in our values. It's our challenge, our responsibility, and now more than ever, it's our